Sri Lanka take on India in the third and final ODI of the Unacademy ODI series on Friday, 23rd July at the R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo. India sealed the series 2-0 with a 3-wicket win in the second ODI on Tuesday, July 20. Deepak Chahar and Bhuvneshwar Kumar added 84 runs for the 8th wicket as India scripted a remarkable chase to record a memorable win. In this video, you will get the weather reports, pitch report, stadium states, team news, driven 11 prediction, head-to-head records, venue, match date, match and toss timings, live telecast about the third ODI match between India vs Sri Lanka starting from 23rd July. Let's start. The India vs Sri Lanka third ODI match will be played on Friday, 23rd July at 3 pm Indian time. The venue of this match is R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo, Sri Lanka. India team tentative playing 11 for third ODI match. Prithvi Shaw or Devdutt Padikkal, Captain Shikhar Dhawan, Wicketkeeper Ishan Kishan, Manish Pandey or Sanju Samson, Surya Kumar Yadav, Hardik Pandya, Krunal Pandya, Deepak Chahar, Bhuvneshwar Kumar or Navdeep Saini, Yuzvendra Chahal and Kuldeep Yadav. Sri Lanka team tentative playing 11 for third ODI match. Avishka Fernando, wicketkeeper Minod Bhanuka, Bhanuka Rajapaksha, Dhananjaya D. Silva, Charit Asalanka, Captain Dashun Shanaka, Vanindu Hasaranga, Chamika Karunaratne, Dushmantha Chamira, Lakshan Chandakan and Kasun Rajitha. The India vs Sri Lanka third ODI match will be played at R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo, Sri Lanka. Head-to-head states. India and Sri Lanka, both of the teams have played 161 international matches so far, out of which Sri Lanka have won 56 matches and India have won 93 matches. 11 match was no result and 1 match was tied. Stadium states. In this R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo, total 133 ODI matches have been played so far, out of which the batting first team have won 71 matches and the bowling first team have won 52 matches. The average first innings score in this stadium is 235 runs and the average second innings score is 196 runs. The highest total recorded was 375 for 5 wicket in 50 over by India vs Sri Lanka and the lowest total recorded was 86 all out in 29.3 over by Netherlands vs Sri Lanka and the highest score chased was 288 for 5 in 49.4 over by India and the lowest score defended was 204 for 7 wicket in 50 over by Sri Lanka. Pitch report. The wicket at the R. Premadasa Stadium was already slower than what it was in the second ODI and that trend will continue on Friday. The spinners will far better than the pacers, although there could still be some zip of the wicket that the latter can extract. Weather report. There is a good chance that the third ODI could get washed out by rain with a thunderstorm forecast on Friday. It will remain a warm and humid day, tough with an average temperature of around 28 degrees Celsius. Toss time and playing time. The toss of the match between India vs Sri Lanka third ODI will start at 2:30 pm Indian time and the playing time will start at 3 pm Indian time. Live telecast and live streaming. The live match between India vs Sri Lanka third ODI match will be telecasted on Sony Sports Network and for live streaming you can watch in Sony Live app. So after all the analysis, the match prediction is India will win this match and clean sweep this series. So according to you, who will win this match? Comment down. Thank you. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.